Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Altaf. Today, we share easy daily habits that help you speak English effortlessly without studying grammar or memorizing lists.
Yes, we will show you how to get better by using English in small, natural steps every day. No heavy books, just smart consistency.
First, start your day by listening. While you brush your teeth or get ready, play English audio song lyrics, a short podcast, or a spoken news headline. Don't worry about understanding everything. Your ear begins to tune in.
Right. And after listening, repeat a few phrases out loud. Imitate the rhythm and pronunciation. Pick a sentence you liked and say it again as if you're talking to a friend. This builds muscle memory for speaking.
Next, speak to yourself. Describe what you are doing in simple English. For example, I am making coffee, or the sky is blue today. You don't need a partner. Your voice practicing daily makes a big difference.
Also, use your phone's voice recorder. Record a short 30-second summary of your day or a thought. Play it back and listen for words you can smooth out. Don't aim for perfection. Just notice progress.
Another habit is to label things around you in English. Write one-word sticky notes or keep a mental tag. For example, door, window, table, and when you touch them, say the word quietly. This keeps vocabulary active without studying lists.
Use English when you think. When a problem comes up or you plan something, phrase it in English in your mind. I need to call my friend, or what should I cook tonight? This trains your brain to form English sentences automatically.
Watch short clips with subtitles, then watch again without them. Choose everyday topics. Cooking, travel, conversation snippets. Pause after a sentence and say it yourself. This helps you link meaning to sound.
Find one English phrase each day and use it in real life. It could be, could you repeat that? Or, I'm looking forward to it. Say it in a conversation, in a message, or out loud when practicing. Repetition in context makes it stick.
Make a word of the day a tiny one. Don't memorize long lists. Just choose a useful word like actually or instead and try to use it 3 times naturally during the day.
Read aloud for just 2 minutes. Pick a short paragraph from a blog, news snippet, or even a caption. Reading aloud improves pronunciation and fluency, and it doesn't take much time.
Talk to your mirror. Smile. Look at yourself and have a mini conversation. Ask, how are you today? Answer in English. This builds confidence and makes your mouth comfortable with the sounds.
Use real-life triggers. Set a routine phrase with a daily action. For example, every time you drink water, say, I'm refreshing myself, or time for a break. Over time, English becomes tied to your habits.
Switch device language to English for a few simple menus. Seeing settings, search, or notifications in English keeps you gently immersed without effort.
Listen and shadow. Play a short sentence and speak along with it exactly as you hear. Same speed, same stress. It's like echoing a native speaker, and it trains your mouth and rhythm.
Keep a tiny journal, just one sentence a day about something you did. Write it the night before, then say it aloud in the morning. The act of forming the sentence helps internalize structure.
Make English a social tag. When you meet a friend who also wants to improve, Agree to say one thing in English during your chat. It could be a greeting, a question, or a compliment. Small shared habits reinforce each other.
Use your commute or waiting time. Instead of scrolling endlessly, narrate what you see or plan in English silently or softly. The bus is late. I will buy bread later. Even thinking it builds fluency.
Celebrate small wins. When you use a new phrase or finish a short recording, say, "Good job" to yourself in English. Positive reinforcement keeps the habit alive.
If you hear a phrase you like, save it in a notes app. Later, try to use it in a sentence or say it again with your own twist. Collecting real phrases helps you speak more naturally.
Ask a simple question in English every day, even if you're not sure. What's the weather like? Or, can I have water? The act of asking reduces fear and builds speaking muscle.
Make a tiny English break of 30 seconds. Just pause and say one thing in English, even if it's about the weather or a feeling. These quick bursts add up.
Use favorite shows or songs. Pick a line, learn it by heart, and then try to explain it in your own words in English. That turns passive enjoyment into active speaking practice.
Talk about the same topic in different ways. For instance, describe your breakfast once as "I ate toast," then again as "I had bread with butter." This shows you how to vary expression without memorizing grammar rules.
Set a non-pressure daily reminder. Speak a sentence. It can pop up once and you just say something when it appears. No long sessions, just a moment of use.
Use translation only to check, not to rely on. Try saying something in English first, then look up a word if needed. This keeps your brain trying before giving in to shortcuts.
Pair English with something you already do. If you exercise, count in English. If you cook, name ingredients. The pairing makes it automatic and less like a separate task.
Listen to short story summaries or kids' stories. They use simple language and clear structure. After hearing one, retell it in your own words. Even in broken English, that's practice.
Talk about future plans out loud. Tomorrow I will go to the market. Doing this regularly builds the habit of using tenses naturally without drilling rules.
Practice asking and answering your own questions. What did I do today? What will I eat? Answer in English, even if it's just one line. Self-dialogue keeps you active in forming sentences.
When you feel shy, remember that speaking is practice, not performance. Every attempt makes you better. The goal isn't perfect speech. It's to keep the language moving in your mouth.
Before bed, review one sentence you said that day and say a slightly improved version. This reflection helps you notice growth and prepares a better version for tomorrow.
Finally, make this a lifestyle, not a study session. Small daily uses of English listening, speaking, thinking add up and give you the ability to speak without heavy studying.
Today we learned simple habits: listening in the morning, speaking to ourselves, repeating phrases, using real-life context, and linking English to daily actions.
And we saw how tiny steps recording your voice, asking questions, shadowing, and making English part of routine build confidence and fluency over time.
Keep going with one small habit every day.
See you next time on English with Altaf.